Start with scratching your nose, make it look like picking your nose, Scotty. Hello, how are you? ¿Cómo está? Try to see if this setup works. I'm gonna be reacting to an old cartoon of mine. I'll go back to this ear, because I can really feel like I'm yelling. This is my best ear, so. Alright. Now the sound on the TV off, I can hear it through the Xbox controller. This is Little Johnny Everything. So, I haven't watched this since I was at least 10, maybe 13. Alright. We're going to count down in 5, 4, 3, 2. You don't say the 1. I remember this music. Just the intro music. Do most anything. You just make believe and say I'm Little Johnny Everything. Little Johnny Everything. He can do. Choo-choo! And another car. Race car, number 7. So you could tell this is definitely from the 60s. I could be anything just by pretending I'm a fireman. And it's the voice work. Why would you make believe you're the milkman? That is the most ugliest animated mother I've ever seen. I mean, she got the curves like she could be attractive, but her face looks like someone sat on her. Johnny Everything. He can do most anything. You just make believe and say I'm Little Johnny Everything. By the way, I'm gonna have this song stuck in my head for the rest of the day, you know. Who watches the traffic cop? Every time he holds up his hand. It's weird. This is from 1960 and it's in color. That's what baffles me. Like that and everything. I don't know. Now he's gonna be a traffic cop. Why is he dressed like he's in a marching band? And now he's walking the tightrope. Yeah, I'm gonna imagine I'm walking a tightrope and I can kill myself from falling off of it. What if he was walking on a fence or something? The audio cut out. Man! It's the postman. Ding ding. It's the same woman! He could be most anything. He just make believe and say he's Little Johnny Everything. This kid's got a big imagination. Now he's a fireman. Oh, there it is. Like the when my make-believe came true. Why are you driving backwards? He helped put out a fire. He had them call the fire department. Okay, that is the most ridiculously bad drawn mustache. Yeah, put your big ass hat on his head. Make believe and say I'm little Johnny everything. I'm confused. I thought there was one where he took like a bath or something. Hold on. Let me search something quick. Here's another one. Mel-O-Toons. Fun on a rainy day. Here we go. This is the one. So I was reacting to the one that wasn't even anything. He just make believe and say I'm little Johnny everything. So they did more than one of these. This is the one. Fun on a rainy day. So we're reacting to two. You open an umbrella indoors, that's bad luck. You're gonna... What? So he sits there with a bucket on it. Oh no, he's collecting the bucket. He's the weatherman. What? You hold it like this, your arm's gonna get tired, kid. Yeah, this one I remembered. So quite literally the first one in this video that I did is something I've never seen before. So I'm reacting to something I've never seen before, and then we got this one. Wooden soldiers. I played with little plastic soldiers when I was younger. Those, those little green plastic soldiers, you to line them up and then, have your bigger toys run them over or take cars or something. I used to line up my little army men, and I had this big truck, and I just run them the fuck over. The pirate general hat thing with the N on it for some reason. What's the N stand for? With a weird black mustache and goatee combo for some reason. He's got a Scotch tape. How about you try super glue, you stupid fucking kid? He's little Johnny everything. He can do most anything. He just make believe and say I'm little Johnny everything. Camel. Ostrich. I'm assuming. Elephant. Now he's pretending he's on a choo-choo. I'm the engineer. Oh, little Johnny. You ready? Hey, shut up. Now you just have to make believe you're a cowboy. What? Yeah, because a bunch of cattle rustlers are gonna run away from a little kid sheriff. Anything that chair, that chair's getting a lot of miles on it. Uh-oh, he's tired. You only make believe you're someone special in the bathtub. He's got a boat. And they have him wearing pajamas in the bathtub because it's a kid's cartoon. He's little Johnny everything. He can be most anything. He'll just make believe and say, little Johnny. You're the devil, okay. Angel. That is a different mother than the one before. Her hair is different. You can't even keep consistency with the mother character. Little Johnny. Everything. I remember that. I just like to be. There it is. The end. Okay. Shut up. Alright, so apparently there was two of them. I didn't realize there was. Little Johnny the movie. What is this? Nothing I want to see. So apparently there was two different. There was Little Johnny Everything and Fun on a Rainy Day. So I'll put that in the description, which you've probably already seen. But yeah, there it is. I grew up with the Fun on a Rainy Day one. It was interesting to see the actual Little Johnny Everything video for the first time. Because I'm sitting there the whole time being like, I don't remember any of this. And I thought he took a bath at the end. And then I realized there was two. So, yeah. So, what are your thoughts on Little Johnny Everything? Dude, did you grow up with this? Or am I an idiot and you tell me to shut up? And what? Or what are you thinking? What the hell is Little Johnny Everything? Who knows? But let me know in the comments below. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'm Scotty. We'll see you in the next one.